Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install the Nu-Eclipse IDE as requested by my audience. So let's get started. So first we need to open Nuvoton IDE and the Nuvoton website, and you can see here www.nuvoton.com. And after the after open the Nuvoton website, you can see here software and tool. You can go to the software and tool and select ID and new link driver. You can see here the right hand side ID and new link driver. Click on this. After that, you can see here Nu-Eclipse IDE for new micro 8-bit Windows, offer for both Windows system like Linux and Windows base. Both operating system you can use Nu-Eclipse IDE. So you can see here, and Nu-Eclipse Windows. This is for New link driver. Click on this. You can see here download started. I have already downloaded this, so I am not going to download again. In my download folder, you can see here Nu-Eclipse. We need to extract this file. As you can see here, now open this file, go for installation. As you can see, installation start. Click on next, next. Desktop, for this is for desktop shortcut. Next, yes, okay, next, agree, next, install. For GNU ARM Embedded Toolchain, we need to install it. So you can follow same step which I am doing. It will take more time in installation, so you need to patience. You can see the message, please wait while GNU ARM Embedded Toolchain. This is being installed. You can close this and wait for Nu-Eclipse IDE installation. So it will take some times in the installation. So now we are going to download MS51 FB9A BSP. You can see here, open Nuvoton. Nuvoton GitHub. Open Nuvoton GitHub page and go to the new Micro 8051 family. So as requested the MCU MS51 FB9A. So you can click on this MS51 FB9A MCU. And in the code, you can see here download zip. So this file is already downloaded. Now go to the folder and unzip this file also. Extract to MS51 BSP master. Now you can see your download is installation is going on. After unzip the file, you can see here MS5N BSP master. You can see here the your part number which you want to use in your application. So this is MS5N FB9A. We need to check MS5N FB9A microcontroller. So open this folder and you can see here the two more folder, library and sample code. Library code having some standard driver file .c and .h. In the include you can see here all the peripherals available .h file. And this is the source file. Now open the sample code folder. You can see here the four files, four folders. ISP in system programming. If you want to use UART bootloader, then you can use this. It support I2C bootloader also. Power management, if you want to see the power consumption of a microcontrollers, then you can use these two codes, power down mini current and idle current. Now you can see here the register base. Rack base means that register base. So open this folder and you can see here the multiple examples of the peripherals. So after installation the our Nu-Eclipse IDE, I will compile the GPIO input output code. So open GPIO input output folder. So you can see here man.c file, and this is for IAR IDE, and this is for Keel IDE, and this is for our Nu-Eclipse IDE. So we need to open this and compile the code and debug the code. You can see here the installation is take more time. So you can see here the top-up message install the new link USB driver. Then you can select yes. Click on OK and next. Next, same. As it is, you can need to install. Driver are now installing. This may take some time to complete. Now driver is installed. It's open already one page. Completing the Nu-Eclipse. Now after installation, you can search in the window Nu-Eclipse. So open Nu-Eclipse IDE. Launch. Start Eclipse IDE. It will take some time to open. After open, you can see already having ADC sample code. But we need to import a MS51 example code. So in the download, you can see here MS51 and MS51 FB9AE. Go to the register base and select GPIO, input output, select folder, then finish. After that, you can see here left hand side user. It's the man.c file. In the man.c file, first you need to check here new launch configuration, GVD, new link debugging. So GPIO input output and then finish. Then you can see here the build button. You can click on the build and your compiling start. The code is compiling now. This is the main file, main.c file. You can see here the example code. So now finally code is compiled. You can see here 0 error and 0 warning. So this is the brief about new Eclipse IDE download and installation step by step. You can follow for the same. If you have any issue, please do let me know. Please help to subscribe and please help to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.